everybody. Welcome to the first of 6, maybe 7 weeks of Wishlist. I am going live on my Facebook page. So if you're seeing this somewhere else, someone has shared it, possibly me, possibly one of my friends. So I am getting my tablet set up, my way. Gotta get it ready for you. So, I have a huge glare. I see a couple of people are watching, so that's good. I'm going to try and get this set up. So, what is Wishlist Wednesday? Well, that is a very good question. Wishlist Wednesday is all, I'm trying to straighten as I go. I'm sorry. Wishlist Wednesday is all about preparing for the holidays. So this was something I was going to do kind of as a quickie for yesterday's Tiny Tip Tuesday, and then I had this idea that some of you might be interested in what is going on with ideas for friends, maybe a wish list you want to put together for yourself. So I'm going to be sharing some fun ideas that are mostly cost effective, and not, I don't want to like super expensive stuff. Okay. Maybe there'll be one or two, but so I am going to talk about this awesome kit. It is called Love This Memory Notebook Kit. Now, I'm not going to completely decorate it because they give you some amazing ideas in here on how to put it together, some different tips, and they show you all the goodies, which I'm going to show you too. Plus, Stampin' Up! CEO Sarah Douglas did an amazing video on this when it first came out. I think I posted it to somebody's comment on the volume page. So it comes with this, I'm hoping you guys can see those iridescent stars or flowers. They're kind of rounded, so they're probably more of a flower. But if you're giving it to a guy, tell him it's stars. He won't know, right? And then it has the pages, and I'm going to zoom a little bit. I'm sorry, my lighting is really bad. So, oh, it's not letting me zoom. Oh, there we go. I'm hoping you guys can see that these are dots. They're not lines or anything. So you can decide, is this a writing page or a decorating page? That is up to you. So, all right, I think I'm back where I need to be now. All right, so, and there are a total of 20 pages if you count front to back, okay? So that is, and both sides of it are decorated, and you could do it portrait or landscape, whichever you want to do. You can decorate the front. You can see here, they took a picture and put it on the front and put some things on the inside. It comes with, oh, and I put the amount on here. Okay, it's number 160168, and it's $25. So this is a pretty reasonable gift to give somebody, and they're going to get a stamp set, which is just a really nice stamp set. I will read you what's on there in case you can't see it. We've got upside down, love this, the best, yeah. Shake it off, just enjoy, smile every day, upside down, you be you, high five, start something, upside down, shine on, curved, it's a good day, and life is cool. And then all these little shapes, hearts, flowers, a smiley face, different kinds of arrows. So it's a really fun book for scrapbooking or card making. But this is definitely a stamp set that if you're a scrapbooker, you can use in all your scrapbooks. It also comes with one ink spot in the Parakeet Party, which is a pale green, a bright, it's actually not pale. It's actually a bright, pretty green. It's one of our in colors. And it comes with a small block. So if you're giving this as a gift to somebody, they're ready to go, because it also comes with tear and tape, a smaller than what you would buy tear and tape, but plenty for this book, and some very pretty silver washi tape. So if this is a gift, they're ready, right? And then on top of that, they are going to, or you are going to get some small cards. Now they are white on the other side, so they are single-sided. So I'm going to show those to you. There's a polka dot, an orange and pink stripe, adorable little smiley faces. This little, I don't know what to call that, but it's cool design. Some more flowers, another stripe, and this great sunburst design. It comes with a pocket, and the pocket already has tear and tape on it. So you're set with putting that on. Then you've got some bigger cards, similar to the small ones. Okay, there's the big starburst. I'm going to show you that one in a minute. Some hearts, some squiggly lines, and then some little ones that you can pop out. So you can see they are slightly smaller than they look. Leaves a little bit of an edge, which I'm just one of these weird people who I would save this outline and use it to put pictures in, right? Because it would fit in the book. You can put little pictures behind it. Here's another one, similar. And then these might be harder for you to see because it's white on white, but you get 2 pages like this. And there are 6 clouds and 5 little stars, 2 little flowers, 4 of these kind of they're not rectangles because they're kind of sketchy like looking. They're not perfect. 2 ovals, and then 4 of this shape, which actually are a smaller version of these. Okay, and then you've got, these are like little arrow pointy things, more arrowy things. These are great photo corners. Little hearts. So you get a page of that, and then you get a page. Look at all these. Way, way cool for decorating. And then look at in silver. Take your pick in silver. I don't even know if you guys are being able to see this, but it's very cool. And then you've got 2 sheets of alphabets. And they even give you some of those unusual shapes, like the O and the E together. That's probably a non-American thing. I don't know. Some of these are. And then numbers. And then this is bizarre and interesting to me that they did this. I mean, it's cool, but look at the teeny tiny little, let's see if I can get one off. I should have grabbed my take your pick tool. But I'm going to take one off, put it on my finger. There it is. It's what is that symbol called? You know what I'm talking about. When you use it to put in between words. It's not really a dash because it's got that shape. So you got 2 pages like that. And so that is everything, which is a lot that comes with this kit. This is going to be stuck to my finger now forever. It's never going to go back where it belongs. I don't even know where it is now. So, okay. Anyway, so like I said, I'm not going to go ahead and put this together, but I thought about what you could do with it if you are not going to, it's a great travel scrapbook. That's my opinion. You go on a special trip, or you're doing something in particular, or here's an idea. You're going for the holidays and you're staying at a friend's house, and you take your camera or your cell phone, and they have those services now. And I actually have a I should have grabbed it. Here it is. I have this Polaroid zip that I can set my phone on top of, and it'll print out little tiny pictures. So if you have something like that, or you want to zip over to a Walgreens or someplace and print out some pictures then of while you're there, and then right at the end, you could have it pre-prepped. Leave this as a thank you gift of your time with your friends. Cute idea, right? So that's always fun. A special trip, a gift. But then I thought, you know what? The new year is coming. And what are we all thinking about? We are thinking about our weight. I know, I do. I think about it every day when I look at myself. It's a terrible thing to say, but it is the truth. So I am going to show you one little tip. This is what I like to do when there are sticker sheets that are white. It's very hard for me to see where to stamp on these because it's sticker I'm going to put it onto my silicone mat, because then I don't have to worry about it, right? It's going to come right off of that. And then I am thinking of the dieting. I am going to grab the one that says start somewhere. Because isn't that the truth? It doesn't matter what goal we have. So maybe this isn't your diet book. This is maybe you saving up for a trip, or I don't know, whatever your thing is. So I'm going to use this little block, which, you know, normally I grab one of our good blocks, but these blocks do work. Now, I'm not going to open that little stamping spot because I like to give them away. So this might make a little bit of a mess because it's going on to the big block, but I'm going to go ahead and ink that up. Hey, not bad. And now, see, I can see it. So I can see where I'm stamping better than I could if I were stamping right onto this, where everything's white on white on white. So there's my start something. And then I can grab one of these, and depending on what outfit I'm wearing in my before photo, what do you think of that? This is my before photo. And so I'm wearing orange, right? So I'm going to peel this off, and I am going to put it on the orange one right there. Perfection is overrated. And then I could stick this on here, decorate it a little bit more, and stick this on there and start somewhere, right? I'm not doing it because I'm not ready to make my book. But so you've got that one. And then you can take pictures all along. I did some more pictures because I thought it would be fun to do this. So here you go. You start out in workout world. You're a couple weeks in. Maybe you use the pocket because you joined Weight Watchers or a gym or whatever. So I don't know where the pocket is. Here it is. You can put the pocket right there, and then your membership card can fit right inside, and you don't lose it. So you've got your before photo. You're clipping along. You're really good. You've started to join a workout class. Now you can do that. Maybe this is a place where you write down your friends that you've been working out with. And of course, you've got more stuff to do. And then, you know what? You're getting pretty good at this. So you decided, this will never be me. You decided to run. I might walk, but I will never run. Notice the girl's a little thinner here. And then at the very end, life is cool. You've got your after photo. And this is where this one, I would definitely say, oh yeah, I did it, people. So I know this is a really silly little video to show you this awesome little kit, but it's a great gift. It's a fabulous holiday gift for you, for a friend, for another scrapbooker. And again, it's only $25. Number 160168. This is only available online. You're not going to see it in the catalogs. So go to MemoryINKers.com to place your orders. This is the hostess code for November 2022, SVHBXVNE. And I hope you will share this with your friends who might also be looking for holiday gift giving ideas for the crafters in their life. I will be doing something every Wednesday for at least 5 weeks after this one, possibly 6, but that's getting pretty close to the holiday. It's like the week before Christmas, so I may only do it for 5 more weeks, but I'm going to be sharing just some fun things. Some of them will be maybe a little bit better presented than this one, but I was playing with this yesterday, and I didn't have any photos yet, and I know I want to work on my weight, so like always. So I think that's what this is going to be for me, and there you go. I hope you guys think this is a fun idea. If you have any ideas for gift giving, maybe something you'd like me to show, if I have it, I will show it. Just comment below. I hope you have a blessed and wonderful Wednesday. The weather in Michigan today is supposed to be in the 70s, so we are happy about that in November. All right. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye.